Hi everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we are talk about Bali Island, culture, history, and all about Bali situation. Before you watch my video, please support by subscribe, like, and share this video. After Mount Semeru in East Java Island eruption last week. How about Mount Agung in Bali? Mount Agung is one active volcano in Bali Island off Indonesia. It is the highest point on the island of Bali at an elevation of 9,944 feet, 3,031 meters. Mount Agung is a stratovolcano built by a long history of recurrent eruptions. The stratovolcano has been built up from eruptions that produced andesite lava, volcanic breccia, volcanic ash, and pyroclastic debris. Mount Agung is a dangerous volcano. Eruptions at Mount Agung can be deadly, and present a variety of volcanic hazards to nearly 1 million people who live within a 20-mile, 30-kilometer radius of the mountain. The 1963 to 1964 eruption at Mount Agung was one of the largest volcanic eruptions of the 20th century, rating VEI 5 on the Volcanic Explosivity Index. More recently, in 2017 to 2018, Mount Agung produced large ash clouds that rose to elevations of about 12,000 feet, 4,000 meters. These caused an aviation emergency and forced closure of the Ngurah Rai International Airport, ruining the plans of thousands of tourists and other travelers. Fears of pyroclastic flows, lahars and ashfalls caused the Indonesian government to order the evacuation of about 100,000 people who live within a 6-mile, 10-kilometer radius of the volcano. Thank you for watch this video. I am Mr. Eddie, glad to guide you are in Bali Island. I will show you all about Bali culture. Please find my contact person on description below. See you on next video.